Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Bunnybun and me. Hello, friends. Today we have a super fun memory challenge for you. Get ready to spot the difference, find the odd one out, and memory challenge. Let's begin. First game. Find three differences. Let's start the game. Can you find all the differences? Look closely. That was super fun. I knew you had sharp eyes. Are you ready for the next game? Second game. Find the odd one out. One of these things is not like the others. Can you spot it? Wow, you're doing an amazing job! You've guessed so many odd ones already! Now it's time for a super fun memory game. Look closely at the screen and try to remember what you see. You'll have 5 seconds before they disappear. Where was this image? Memorize the images. Where was this image? Memorize the images. Where was this image? Wow, you did an amazing job using your eyes, your brain, and your super memory. I'm so proud of you. If you had fun today, don't forget to give yourself a big high five and come back next time for more games, songs, and adventures with me, Bunnybun. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon.